What is GD&T? GD&T is a symbolic language which is used in design and engineering, manufacturing, and quality inspection department in most of the automobile industries. In aerospace and heavy equipment manufacturing industry, GD&T is used. GD&T combines a set of symbols, rules, and principles to ensure that everyone is on the same line regarding how that feature or a part is defined. So when a design engineer is designing a component and he gives an engineering drawing to the manufacturer, they need a common technical language. GD&T is a system that regulates and determines that communication. The biggest problem is people think that GD&T is so confusing and it's difficult to understand, but we have developed this course in a way to make the concepts and basics very simple to understand for you. GD&T is split into 5 different categories. We will now introduce to this in this course, so they are form tolerances, orientation tolerances, location tolerances, profile, and runout tolerances. First, you need to know how to read the feature control frame. The leader arrow points to the controlled feature part. The first zone is called as the geometric characteristic zone, where we will define with the symbols. The second zone is the geometric tolerance zone, where we are going to define the permissible tolerances values for that particular geometric characteristics. And the last zone is the datum reference. Here, the datum A is going to be the primary datum, which means that the component during measurement should be constrained with respect to A, first, and part B. It needs to be fixated after the primary datum that is called as the secondary datum. Here, the GD&T standards are controlled and maintained by the American Society of Mechanical Engineers. That is ASME, which is followed in the US, and it is controlled and maintained by the International Organization for Standardization, that is ISO, which is followed in the rest of the world other than US. To learn more and to update your skill sets on GD&T for better drawing, reading, and design and drawing preparation, please register with us online for this course. Thank you.